Hi Aquarius, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your mid-September reading and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in the middle of the month. Okay, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Okay, and as you all know, this is general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. So let's see what is there for my Aquarians in the middle of September. Please, my guides, angels and spirits, please guide me to guide my Aquarians in the middle of September, please. Okay, one more shuffle please. Okay, let's see. So what's in the environment right now? A page of pentacles. So this page of pentacles is telling me there's some kind of experience which you are going through. You're learning through your experience. That is the environment right now. You are actually going through something which needs patience as well, which needs some kind of maturity, but you are in that mode where you need it but you are not actually applying it. So let's see what is the issue over here. 10 of Cups. This is the ultimate happiness when you really want. So this is actually telling me that you are not being mature, might be involved in a relationship which needs maturity, but you are not actually you are not actually so much mature that you can handle this kind of a relationship. Yeah, this is some kind of a conflict in a relationship, some kind of a conflict in family as well. So this is that situation. Might be some of you looking at some of you is looking at your past, like when you were happy, always looking towards your past, that you were happy before but now you're not happy. This kind of situations are coming up in your mind. Okay, let's see what's in the subconscious. 3 of Cups. So this is the foundation of the situation. So this is telling me might be there is some kind of a third party situation over here. Might be there's a third person involved. Not just need, it does not has to be a third person like a lover only, third lover, but it can be someone, a mother or a sister, somebody who can do some kind of manipulations as well with the 3 of Cups, because this is something which you don't want to look at. Okay, so there is a third person, might be a past person as well. So that is why you are more into the past, because you are looking towards the past in the Page of Pentacles. So I'm seeing that might be some kind of might be a past person has come back to someone's life, or there was more happiness when you were dealing with a person or dealing with a situation in the past. You were happy and you were enjoying the time. This is also telling me that with the 3 of Cups over here, this is something related to the subconscious energy which you do not want to look at, because this might be someone who is a friend with you. Okay, but you or them, there's just a friendship, but you thought that it is more than a friendship. So that is a situation over here. You thought, or might be the other person, like it is more than friendship, and you thought that it will take you to higher level, like you two might get married or something, but it was not just more, it was nothing more than a friendship. Okay, let's see what was the past situation. Strength. So this is someone, okay, so I'm getting it over here, like there was a situation where two people met. and all of a sudden, it was a relationship started. It was a relationship where each other, where two people were actually, they were good to each other. It was more, not more than a friendship. It was like, taking care of each other and taking care of yourself as well, being in love with yourself, being in love with the idea of love. So this is that energy. It was not love, it was one sided love, I would say, if it is a love situation. Because this situation is actually telling me that anyone out of you two, if two people, if it is a love situation, so it is like one person wanted to be married, and one person wanted to get married. But it was situation just like this. Okay, what's in your head right now? Your goals. You want a reconciliation. Your head is telling you to you just want to meet this person. You want to get back together with this person. Because in the subconscious, 3 of cups, and in the conscious, it's 6 of cups. Double the card, double the energy. So you don't know that it was just a friendship, and that is why you just want someone from the past situation of yours. Nostalgia. You might be even feeling, when you miss those past days. Okay, what's in the future? 4 of swords. So this is the healing card over here. When things actually take slow, things go slow. They do not go the way you want, but they go very slow. This card is telling me that if this kind of situation is happening with you, you really need some time to heal. Okay, you need some time to take rest and to just be, whatever you are doing, just take some rest, take a pause, and try to analyze the situation. Try to just look into the situations. Sometimes you want something, but it does not happen the way you want it, because God wants you to find the answer. God does not want you to be sad. He just wants that you should find the answer yourself, what is good or what is bad for you. Okay, how you see yourself? You see yourself as the fool. You just want to enter in this situation. The fool card over here, he is so enthusiastic. He wants new beginnings. He wants to be happy, but he does not realize that if he will enter in that situation, what will happen after that? This is that card. This is like taking a leap of faith. You are just entering without thinking. You are just doing anything. So you have to understand that this is really positive card, that you at least you want to try new stuff. You want a new life. You want to go into new beginnings. But sometimes you just have to notice that it might be dangerous as well if you will just enter like that. Okay, how people see you? People see you as a page of swords. People know that you are stalking them. You are just continuously messaging them or calling them, whatever. So this is that messenger card. People, you are the one who is approaching the other person if this is a love situation. So you're always the one who is the doer over here, who actually wants to do stuff, who actually wants to get into this thing. But I don't feel this from the other end. No, I don't feel like that. Because for the other person, it's just a friendship, not more than that. The lessons which you really need to learn are the fear and hopes over here. So it is 8 of wands. So communication is really helpful over here. So the universe is telling you over here that you need to communicate. You need to communicate with the person with whom you are dealing with, or in whatever situation you are in. Just be clear and communicate. Transfer your thoughts to another person the way you actually want to tell them. Okay, just be clear, and if the other person is also clear with you, then that's fine. At least end it or start it. Do not be in the middle, just here or there. Come like that, like this. Okay, do not stay in between, in the middle of the situation. and communication is the best key. So that is the lesson which you really need to learn by the universe. Communicate and talk it out. The final outcome, the Chariot. So with the Four of Swords in the future card, you are healing, you are taking time, you are analyzing. The universe wants you to do this, to take some time, because the final outcome, if you will go with this process the way universe wants you to take the future step, you will actually succeed. Okay, you will succeed if you will go by the universe's messages. But if you will just be stubborn, if you will not understand the universe's calls, then it might be tough for you as well. So if you really want to succeed, if you really want to move on in life, you have to first heal. You have to first think about the situations. You just cannot enter into anything. You cannot just take a leap of faith anytime you want. Although it is good, it feels good, but sometimes it is dangerous as well. Okay, so that is all from my side, Aquarians. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.